To begin with the reading of schematic diagram, first we will locate the main electrical components in this schematic. So this is our first components presented by M in circle. This is our condenser fan. M represents the motor. Of course, fan consists of one motor, single phase motor. So this is that motor. Here we have compressor, heart of air conditioning system. This is the compressor. Here we have overload relay, which prevents overloading of this compressor in case of stalling and some mechanical fault inside the compressor, as it is a rotary part. So this will protect it, electrical protection for overcurrent to protect it. Here we have contactor, power contactor or relay. Here we have terminal block. This is terminal block XT. Outdoor unit. This represents the outdoor unit. Underneath is indoor unit. Line neutral 1, ground. So we would start now. There are many things to be incorporated in this video, but due to length of video and some other circumstances, we cannot make lengthy videos. So at the end, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications and share it if possible. Thank you very much for watching and staying with us.